Marshall was last seen with her best friend Courtney Lawrence here. She was last seen by her father in the family home, and it is expected that she wasn't alone. If anyone has any information, please call 116 000.